Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Nursing Tricks. I hope you all are doing well, and in the continuation of the growth and development of an infant, in this video we will see the growth and development of a 3-month-old child. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification latest updates from the Nursing Tricks. Starting off with the today's video, that is the growth and development of a 3-month-old child, in which we will cover under the following headings: the physical growth, gross motor, fine motor, sensory, vocalization, socialization, and the cognition. And yes, these videos I am making just to so that you can grasp as much as possible from these particular videos, and at the last you can see a table in which I will just summarize all this, the growth and development of an infant, in a table, so that it will be easy for you to remember the growth and development aspects. So coming on to this particular video, so in physical growth, the primitive reflexes, they are just fading out. Gross motor, they are able to hold their head more erect now when sitting, but still bobs forward. Has only slight head lag when pulled to the sitting position, and they assumes the symmetric body positioning. They are able to raise their head and shoulders from prone position to a 45 to 90 degree angle from table, and in this particular stage they start bearing the weight on their forearms. When held in a standing position, they are able to bear the slight fraction of weight on legs regarding they regard their own hands. Okay, they recognize their own hands. Now coming on to the fine motor, they are actively hold the rattle if you will give them, and the grasp reflex is absent now. Their hands kept loosely open. They clutches their own hand and they pulls at blankets and the clothes. Coming on to the sensory development, they follows the objects to periphery, that is to 180 degrees. They can follow the object if you will move them to the 180 degree, and they locates the sound by turning head to the side and looking in the same direction. They begins to have the ability to coordinate stimuli from various sense organs. And if you will see in the vocalization, as we have seen in the growth and development of a 2-month-old child, that they starts to coos. Here they sequels allowed to show the pleasure, and they coos, they babbles, they chuckles, they vocalizes when smiling, they talks a great deal when spoken to, and they less crying during the periods of wakefulness. Coming on to the socialization and cognitive ability, they displays the considerable interest in the surroundings. Their crying ceases when the parents enter the room. It means they start recognizing their parents, and they can recognize the familiar faces and objects such as the feeding bottles, and they shows the awareness of the strange situation. So here very important thing that we should remember out of this particular video is that if you will talk about the physical growth, their reflexes, they are just fading. And the gross motor means when you are talking of a whole hand, when you are talking of a whole thing, not a particular finger. They are able to hold their head. Now, so 3-month-old child, if you will see, the head lagging is not present, it is absent. And if you are seeing, if you are assessing a child, and if you are seeing that this head lagging is present at this particular age, it means this is not a normal growth. Okay, and it is a very important aspect. Okay, moving on to the fine motor, if you will give them a rattle, they will hold it actively, but you will see their grasp reflex will be absent in this particular age, and their hands are loosely open, and they clutches their own hand, and they will pull the blanket and the clothes. In the sensory, now they can follow your the objects at 180 degree also. They will locate the sounds by turning the head from one side to other side. And why they can locate? Because in this particular age group, you can see the head lag is not present. They can able to control their head. Coming on to the vocalization, we have seen the 2-month-old child can coos. Here we can see they can coos, they can babbles, and they can chuckles. and they can vocalizes when smiling. Okay. Now coming on to the socialization and cognition, they displays the considerable interest in the surrounding. They start to recognize their parents. Okay, and they can recognize the familiar faces and the objects. So this is all about the growth and development of a child. If you're talking if you have a child with a 3-month old, and in the subsequent videos you can see the growth and development of 4-month, 5-month. And dear friends, try to remember as much as possible and try to grasp as much as possible from these videos. And if you have any doubt, please do comment. I'm always ready to accept, and I always ready to clear all your doubts. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.